Akete is asking what someone wanted to say. Today is Sunday, 8th August 2021. We have church and I think we have to have fun with you guys, our wonderful fans. You need to have a chat. You can ask us any question you are going to answer. Any question you're going to answer. Good morning. Good morning again. We love you all, Beyou comedy fans. Love you all. Sorry. Good afternoon. It's 12, 12:10. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Akete Mpeninsem. Akete Mpeninsem. Ghana phone yete. Pemasa. Are. Annabelle. Fine. Good. I see you, Annabelle. And a big notice, on the 8th of September 2021 is Uncle Beyou's birthday. It's my birthday. 8th of September 2021. Next month 8th is my birthday. I can sing happy birthday for me. Sing for me. Happy birthday, mama. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Okay, happy birthday in advance. Hello. Okay. Ask us any question you want to ask. We are doing great. Alexander, I see you. Annabelle, I see you. How old is Akete? Akete is 4 years old. How are you doing? How old is Akete? Say, wow, 4 years old, please. What's your name and how old are you? Akete, also if I was a boarding children. Say myself to them.
My name is Wendy. I'm 4 years old.
No, I am. My name is Wendy Yenimi. I am 4 years old. I am. Okay, action. Let's go.
My name is Wendy Yenimi. I am 4 years old. I am in K5. I want to be a nurse in future. Thank you.
Wendy said you want to be a nurse in future. How old is Akete? Akete, what's your name? I'm coming. Sup? Can I be your friend? Oh, okay, Fifi. I see you. You can be friends. Okay. Which class is Akete? K5. Are you people in Kumasi? Of course, you are in Kumasi. Akete, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, watching you live inside. Watching you live inside your own room. Okay. Andrews. Skido Nachi, I see you. Skido, I see you. Watching me live. That's my team member. Skido. Yeah, that Metrovan. Yeah, my body back up. We've been friends since day one. Yeah, way back 14 years ago. I see you, bro. I see you. On them, Nana, I see you. Angel, hi. My top fan, how are you? Latifa, how are you doing? You doing great? Like Kumasi Matthew. Make a wish in advance. Oh, okay. Gifty, I wish to become a better person in future. May God bless me, bless my pockets, so that I can help the needy and also take care of Akete and my family. God bless you. Can I marry Akete? Oh no, Akete is too young, please. How are you, Akete? Akete say I'm fine. I'm fine. Akete say is fine. Akete Mpeninsem.
What say?
Emmanuel cool edini. Emmanuel Kulamu. Hey, Black Afro, I'm in Modin. Why? How are you doing? I'm watching you from Spain. Baba, see you. Spain. Big up to you. We love you all, Ghanaians, Spain. I want to see you guys in 3D. Very soon we'll be coming to 3D, okay? We're working on some new videos and we pray back we'll be there, okay? Nature Akete for me. Bride price is ready. No. Akete is too young. He's too small. I love your comedy. So Akete is my niece. Me Wofa senior Akete, me pacho. Ibrahim, you can join us. You can join us, okay? Future nurse Akete. Akete. Angel, say you are a future nurse. It's also be a nurse on. Also be a nurse. Now I'm for panel. To where nurse are better than I'm for.
No Wofa or panel.
No my day.
No my no most.
Also we should panel na. O ko obi panel mba. Me do ko yi hospital yale o panel won yan.
Johnny.
Afiade. Timuden Tensa. Ale.
Metro ni muka family.
We are not going to do. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. I see what's your real name, Beyou. Matthew, my name is Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Sadi Makunde, Mambo. I'll tell you later, okay? Akete, please. Is Akete attending school? Of course, Akete attending school, okay? Yeah. You can check her English. Yeah. Mr. B, you cannot marry Akete, no, please. I'm really enjoying your show, Papa. God bless you. Be how be. Everything is cool. Happy birthday to Akete. No, it's my birthday. Akete did birthday every. What do birthday every? And can I do so? Your birthday. Your birthday.
Oh, my son.
Remember, obedi you. Me know what the why.
You.
I'm watching you live from Lebanon. I see you. I love you too, Charlie. Love you guys. Akete, what's your name? Akete is called When the Enemy. Say I'm called When the Enemy. Tell them.
My name is When the Enemy. I am 4 years old. I am in K5. I want to be a nurse in future. Thank you.
Yeah, that Akete's page is that page labeled Akete Mpeninsem. No, it's not our real channel, but someone have just created to promote our brand. You understand? It's our real page, Akete Mpeninsem. The real page, Akete Mpeninsem official, here on Facebook. But the guy is promoting our content, so it's cool. No problem. No problem. It's okay. Just follow up. Follow up. Promoting. How are you doing, guys? You're doing great. Accra, I like you guys. Big ups. May God Lord bless you. Mr. Comfort, God bless you too. God bless you too. Okay, are you ready to dance for them? Okay, bye. Akete want to celebrate a birthday again. Angel, easy, Miss say. Samo. Beyou, you don't go. I went to church. Me kwa sorry. Man kwa so.
Okobo.
Me ko be bo man kwa so.
Obwa wanko.
Ungu se me kwa so. Have you na o pesa.
Okobo.
Bobo wi mama san kwa so.
Wan san kwa me.
You can't do emi o.
Obwa.
Emi o.
Obwa. Me papa kwa so ene me mama.
Okay. I want to take this opportunity to greet Akete's mom and dad. Akete, what papa say? If your daddy say?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You know this one?
I know. Daddy's name is called Benjamin Yinimi. And mommy too is called Matilda Yinimi. Big ups to you. Big ups to you. And my mom's name is Olivia Donko. Normally known as Busy. I'm coming, okay. Normally known as Busy at Ahenamako Koben. My papa, big ups to my father, that is Richard Donko from Kokoben. Yeah, from Kokoben. Kokoben niggas, I see you guys, okay. Big ups to Sister in Germany, I see you. Mom babies, I see you. Akete Mpeninsem. I need you at Dubai. Oh, you can invite us. We are always willing to come over to Dubai. How old is Akete? Akete is 4 years old. Do you have a boyfriend, Akete? Oh, SKY. Akete Akura. AJ, please invite us. You come. How old is Akete Mpeninsem? He's 4 years.
4 years.
Oh, talking Tom, please don't go. Let's talk, please. You see that the messages are many, so that's how it is, okay. Yeah. Akete Mpeninsem, love Akete Mpeninsem, okay. Please, Akete is your relative. Yeah, it's my niece. You guys, talking. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for the insult. Okay, big ass talking. I see you. Amisha, for that. Yeah. God bless you. God bless you too, Charlie. I like this little girl. How old is Akete? Akete is 4 years old, please. Akete is 4 years old, please. How should I come live? You can join us, Obesa. Akete want to dance, okay? Okay. I'm coming. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
How are you?
Talk to them, okay?
You know, mommy so cute. La 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 la. Your neighbor.
Hey. Okay. Again, back. Pass it on. That's it. Okay. Yeah, money. Come here. Yeah. Okay, Mario, see you. Mario, okay, say, street boy, me here do chen road boy. Me need don't me honye, me yale koko, no. It's a land beat. You will see a woman repeat. You will see a woman repeat. Now. Cross the line. Cross the line. Honestly, don't change the path. Like yourself also. Sorry. Yeah. Somebody don't know. Say yes, no press. Take a right stamina. Me say we know. You know the brand. You one. Come so kick it. Kunya. No water. No behind. It's here, Joya. Yes, you go. It's here, Joya. Go. Let me why you are every. Friday, I want time. Saturday, Sunday, so daddy, I want church. On a go to shop, what for yammy? What's a many I jammy? I pray every day. I don't know. Yes, oh. Hello, how are you? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for. Okay. Thank you for your time. Okay, we are here to entertain you guys, not only on comedy, also through music and also dancing. So big ups to you. And then you know say more change for that. Track name is called My Prayer. Bomisoke. Beomesoke. Bomisoke featuring Beyou and Kwasimayo on Oldmark and also Zach GH. So you can search on Google, you're gonna get it. If you want the official video, subscribe to Bomisoke on YouTube. Okay, God bless you. Akete talking, having question. It is 8 to you guys. Yeah, Akete is 4 years old. Yeah, Prissy, I see you. How old is Akete Mpeninsem? Oh, okay. People want to join. Okay, yeah, you join very soon. I'm coming, please. You can join us. You can have a conversation. Yeah, God bless you guys. Wow, 9. Oh wow, John. 9 September. Big ups. We celebrate together. Talking Tom. Big ups. Bosoki. Love. Okay, thank you. I say, Michael. Someone mentioned Michael's name here. Let me check. I say, Andrew's friend Michael. Then she's grown. No. Okay. Let me connect. Someone to connect us. Let me add up here. You can join us. I'm adding up fans who want to talk to us. I'm adding up fans. Okay. You can join us. Chrissy Nimako, my biggest fan. Big ups. I love Akete. Okay, bye. I'm Akon. See you later. I'm watching live from UAE. God bless you. I love you, Akete. Thank you. Love you too. You are more. Okay. Akete. How are we doing? Great. You're doing great. I like Akete too much. You like it too? Yeah. Okay. I think people want to join here. I have to add up here. Big ups. Big ups. Okay, God bless you. Bless you too. Hi.
Hi, good afternoon. Akete, how are you? Hi, your mommy.
No. If you bring your mommy is at church, it's not back from church. We are indoors just to entertain our fans. Please, what's your name and where are you talking from?
My name is Jerry.
Where are you talking from?
I'm in Italy.
Oh, okay. Much love at Italy. God bless you for watching us. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, you can join us. I'm watching you from Italy. Big ups. You see cute. Hello, Mr. Beyou Shepherd. I see you. Where do you get Akete? Akete is my niece. I got her from my own family and also in the house. I'm watching you live from Saudi. Okay. Thank you very much. Yes, maybe. Mama said, oh, what's the name? Really, yesterday. Why? I don't master. Right. You talk comedy, yeah, I'm adding up you guys. You can join us. I want to join your videos. Oh, Angel, you're always welcome. Okay, Angel, babe. Oh wow, I can see you. As I love you so much, Akete. Akete, say I love you too, Priscilla. Say I love you too. Say I love you too.
I love you too.
Okay, Akete say you love you too. Can I talk to Akete? Okay. You can join us, Angel. So you talk to Akete, okay? Join us, Angel. Okay. No answer from live video. Maybe I'm going to say ammonia casa. It's ammonia casa. Good afternoon. Doctors, good afternoon. What do birthday, sir? Beyou be that. Can wait, I see you. I see you. Mami Joe AC, how are you, boy? I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. You can join us so we talk. No answer from live videos. Please, you can join us. Don't feel shy. Okay, we add you guys so you can talk. Yeah. Okay, join me here. Okay, I can join you too. All the best. Emmanuel, I see you. Angel, I've not seen your here. Your link up here. Request. Oh, sorry, Christopher. Angel, I can't see your link here. Oh, yeah. Okay, you can make friends here. You can make friends over here. Yeah. Yeah, good morning. There. Win. I'm up to us, man. Win. Is she your daughter? No, my niece. Okay, it's my niece. Thank you very much. You see your younger sister. Wish you all the best of life. Thank you. Amen on that. How can I book Akete? My ceremony? Please, where are you located, Tracy? DM us, okay? DM us, okay? How are you, Akete? I'm watching you live. It will be you. Gardina Usu. Okay, I see you. Don't sleep. Why are you sleeping? What happened? What happened? Dia told you. Yeah. Go from Pondas. Copyright, but here. Copyright at here. I say more. Well, the same. Go from Pondas. You dance for Mila. Oh, okay. I come to dance for you guys. Let's go. Last dance. Gang. Come. Go from Waiting Pansa. Copyright, but here. In fact, gang. That fact will not help us, okay? Copyright, but here. No copyright. Video, no. Be a boy. Most. Priscilla, Charlie, you dear, you don't like.
Yes.
Okay, last one. Okay. Fine. Okay. Me and Akete, who knows how to dance?
Me.
Akete and Beyou. Let me see Beyou fans here. And Akete's fans. Who know how to dance? Is it Akete Mpeninsem or Beyou? Uncle Beyou. Let me see your comment. Please. Waiting. That's my girl, Roland. Okay, see you said Ajimai. Big ups. Akete, now you and your uncle are my friends. Okay, Elizabeth, you are my friend too. DMS, okay. Akete all the way. Oh God, I shall say about Akete. Hey, where are my fans now? Akete, sir. Are. Now I don't see many videos. Why? We drop videos. We've just dropped a new video on YouTube. Our schedule on YouTube is we drop new videos on YouTube on Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So as we are talking now, as we are coming live, we drop a new video. That is, we get the feeling. I get the feeling part 2 on YouTube. Search Beyou Comedy on YouTube. Search Beyou Comedy on YouTube, and subscribe. And wait for the let's see. That's the first video. First video. You understand? So I get the feeling part 2. Big ups. Big ups. Akete, I love you. Oh, we love you too. We love you too. We love you too. We love you too. Lozam. Yeah, no concentrate. Akete, and this reply you. And this good afternoon, Beyou. Be my boyfriend. Why? Who is that? Elizabeth. Daniel Poku. Oh, okay. It's Akete. Okay. Akete Mpeninsem with you. Oh, Akete. Is it only Saseme? Share, come on. Lozam. We do one thing. Why is that? Because we don't know. Yeah. Akete, you are too much. All the way Beyou pa Akete Mpeninsem dance past you. You are lying, man. Oh, you are lying. You're lying. This one, I don't believe it. For this one, I will never believe it. Okay. Asa masa ma yimi masa. Asa ma yimi masa we na musa Akete nsa singare. Ala mutimo denza. Okay, all the same. Big ups to Akete Mpeninsem. You know how to dance than me. Akete, you don't know how to dance. Philip, thank you. I have one wood now. Teach Agabi. Which Chemasa? Which Masa? Which Masa? Check of it. See a check of it. Nina Mianka. As Shosumbia. Ujagabun. Uya Bema, Jagagara Miho. Where are they? Where are Mamabu? What? I'm sure to be. I love you guys. You love you too. I love you. Your number. DMS. Okay. DMS. Adi, I love you. Okay. You don't know how to dance. Thank you. Angel. That's it for you. Why? Asana. And who? I get to teach. Uncle Beyou, please, how are you doing? I'm doing good. Mark, can I do? Kitchen dance more than you. J Collins, one Mpeninsem, anyway. And no, you bounce away. May me bring my appears. And new Sharifa, DMS, okay? DMS. Sorry, with Master, why you talk comedy dimension? Why? Akete know how to dance past you. Thank you. Oh, Gerard, I see you from a walker. Big up to you, Gerard Ford. Catch him. Good morning. Men can't show me answer. I get to men can't show me answer. Why? I said, Beyou Comedy, good morning. I get to say answer. I get to want to say why I'm Pacho. I love you guys. Love you too. Love you too. Who's an Jesus. And beg your problem. Akete Mpeninsem will bet you. He will beat you or bet you. Okay. Big ups. We love you guys. See you, Joyce Opoku. I see you, Joyce Opoku. Big ups to you. Yeah. Please be adding you guys. Pick it up, no problem. Be adding you. Love you too, Angel. Love you too. I want to get your contact.
Bye-bye.
On this microphone.
My
network's poor. Oh, sorry. Kaza.
Hello. Who didn't say?
Mary.
Yeah. Who didn't marry? No, what's it?
You're doing great, Gerard. You comment to the word. Big ups to you. I see you. Keep it up. Thank you.
There's so much in here.
I'm going to make I get some more location. You'll be giving fans massive surprise. Oh, justice, top man, you wins. What I'm winning here. What? Akete, please laugh. I'm when you two. Also, when I'm really busy.
Bless you. Saba, we did it. We did it.
Winifred, I love you guys. Thank you.
Winifred, somebody did that. Hello.
I love you guys.
How are you? Yeah, fine.
Oh, this Akete 4 years. Please play me my prayer by Bomusoki featuring Beyou. Okay, which Nove GH? No worry, we're playing for you right now. Stay tuned. My prayer, Bomusoki featuring Beyou. You comedy. You comedy.
Wow!
Please give me your location because I'm coming to Ghana and we are at Kumasi. I am Makokobe, Makunedi, Kumasi, and all. Okay. Okay. Man from Western region. Yeah, I love you guys. Busy GH, I see you. I am Brass. Okay. You people are really funny. I love you, Akete. Yes.
Okay, yes.
One Fisher. Yes. See, I want to see you guys one day. I wish to see you guys one day. Do you dance past Akete? Thank you, Mary or someone. Big ups. I see you.
I see you.
Thank you, Mary.
Give me that.
Will you dance past Akete? So right now it's 4-3. I have 3 votes. Akete have 4 votes. So who know how to dance?
Me. It's me.
It's me. Almost a mission account. Only 4 minutes. People, one love. Big ups. 4 years back. Yeah. See you are old. God bless you guys. Prissy, DM me, okay? I see you there. My biggest fan, Prissy. Akete Mpeninsem. Okay, Akete, you don't respond. Then go. Akete Mpeninsem.
What's that?
George, you are 4. Akete have done it for you, okay? Akete dance past you. Akete was 5, no? When you're 5, when you're 3. Yeah, 7. I bet you.
Me, I told me son. Mama was 3 years.
And I say when you're 4 years. I get the feelings. You get it, day? I get the feelings. You have dropped. You've dropped.
Mobile color. Ubele color dear.
Color black.
Color dear.
We've dropped. I get the feeling part 2 on YouTube. I get the feeling part 2. Please. We are almost 188 subscribers on YouTube. I'm coming. Okay. We want to hit. I'm coming. Let me talk to them first. After I'll talk to you. I'm coming. We want to hit 200 subscribers by the end of this month. Please subscribe for us on YouTube. That is. Because I want to be on friend. Elizabeth Ghana, I see you. You're watching us. Which station? Made in the pizza man. Elizabeth, I'm watching you. I see you. So as I was saying, please subscribe for us on YouTube. Beyou Comedy on YouTube, please. Beyou Comedy, okay. Don't subscribe yet. Don't subscribe my. We are having almost 465,000 followers on Facebook, which is very massive. Let's reflect these followers on YouTube too. Please subscribe for us. Let's say 200k subscribers. Please search Beyou Comedy on YouTube and subscribe. Please watch our videos. Corona Moshe videos now. The truth is, Facebook is free. You watch Facebook, you watch it normal, but on YouTube, no, I think that's where we get some revenues from to take care of Akete Mpeninsem and also Beyou Comedy crews, and at the same time, we're making sure we donate. We can donate, as many as we can. Yeah.
Yawadum Chinabe Woho. Sarawasa Salman praise. Sarawasa Salman praise. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Hey.
Adumo nyame.
Wasam. Hey. Wasam Yesumo. Nyame Sam Yanka. Wasam. Wasam Yesumo. Nyame Sam Yanka. Wasam. Hey. Wasam Yesumo. Nyame Sam Yanka. Wasam. Wasam Yesumo.
Oh, nyame Sam Yanka. Wasam. Wasem onyame wasem yenkwa wasem
the birthday abose
obedi akobo one
birthday akobo
yeah akobo one
birthday oh no birthday
okay you'll be leaving very soon. You'll be leaving very soon. I'll be giving you guys music.
I can't.
Day. Kasamiti.
Madam Chilami. Yedi awade yedi. Your love. Akukoda.
Yeah, you come very soon.
Grain. Grain. And a biscuit.
He's 4 years old.
And a grain. And a shampoo. Shampoo count.
Champagne can. Please, can I join you guys?
Cake.
You can join us, Dory. Okay, no problem. Let me add you.
Yelly. Let me do it down.
Madam Fube.
Madam for dear one. Actually, yes, you are fair. Now one in one down and now one in another. Yes,
You can join us, please. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon.
What's up?
Yeah, I see you.
I see you, Master. I see you.
Akete, how are you?
Yeah, please, where are you up to? Since you are driving, are you in your own car?
Pardon?
Since you are driving, right? You are driving.
Yeah.
No.
Hello. Okay. Yeah, sorry for that. Yeah, so thank you for
I'm going to buy
calling.
something outside.
God bless you for supporting. Okay.
Pardon?
Is it Angel? Okay, Angel. Yeah, I see you.
Any text is bad.
Okay, thank you. Call you back later. Hi, God bless you too. You want to call? Let me add you. God bless you guys. The nose look alike. Our nose look alike. Please share the video for us. Please share the videos. Please share the videos. Please share. Please share for us. Share for us. As you're watching, share it for us. Share the videos for us, please. Please share it for us. As you're watching, share for us, please. Thank you very much for sharing. Their nose look alike. Please share the videos, please. Share it for us, please. God bless you. Gordon. I see you. Their nose look alike. Yeah, you look alike. I know. Okay. You please share. Thank you. You'll be leaving very soon. Leaving very soon. Yeah. Akete, what you want?
Bachia.
See from Betty or more. I'm gonna chill. What you want? Chia. What you want? Kazakazi.
Mechia.
Debbie, what you want? Umami and Anna Gianca. Show. It's a phone.
Also, Chiawa.
Mechia. Let's say first of all, no. You're saying I'm going to do something this way.
Okay.
You're saying I'm going to do something this way. And also Mechia. Me mami Olivia Donko, me papa Richard Donko from Pokobin. Akete Mpeninsem mami. I said I me. Benjamin me. A chamina. Big up to you guys. Kokobin, niggas. My guy is online right now. That's it. Asabre, Boniface. My guy, I see you online right now. I see you, Boniface. You can join me. That's my team, my teammates, like my team member. Big ass Boniface. I see you, bro. Yeah. See you. Shout out. Big ass Boniface, Asabre. I see you, bro. I see you. My team members, I see you guys. Yeah. Andrews. Michael. Skido Nachi. I see you. Kokobin. Boniface. Asabre. Bro, I see you. Big ups to Losam. Kokobin. I see you. Bomisoki. I see you. Kosimario. I see you. I see every teammate, every team of Beyou comedy. Big ups for you guys for supporting us. Namisham, God bless you, Gordon. Okay. Namisham for joining. We have 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Yeah. We're leaving around 3 minutes left. God bless you for joining us. Let's go. June, last one. Okay. Stop that. No, because I but me so fishing be you. I don't know. Money. I pray every day for money. Until we get to the woman. Stop that. For my ashes, so let me have a water. Don't for selling on in the city. I was dating me and I pray every day. Money, I don't want it. One for me. What's a mini? I don't pay. So I pray every day. Yes, I pray every day. I don't know. Yes, I pray every day. I don't know. Yes, I pray every day. Sweet boy, we have no child, no boy. We need to be on yet. We are with Coco, Mario, I see you. You will see a woman repeat. We are saying running the city. I for the gas to die for the PC. Never cross the line. If you cross the line, honestly, don't change your path. Like your circle, so. Yeah, Tutu. The guy goes to Tutu. Let's see my baba. My thing, I don't know. Say, say, Emperor. You know what you're talking. The boss will land you. I'm so glad you get no water. I so be a man, my friend. It's the hey guys. Oh God. What? Thank you very much. I think it's 1:00 p.m. You can join us 1 hour now. That means Shamapa for being around for us. You've shown us love. 1 hour now. Big up to you guys. That means Shamuna say mo joining the comedy live video with Akete Mpeninsem. That means Shamuna. Big up to you guys. That means Shamu. Ma Juliana, I see you. All Beyou comedy fans, I see you. Beyou comedy team, Boniface, Asabre, I see you. Bomisoki, I see you. Kosimario, I see you. Skido, I see you. Big ups to you guys. Kokobin niggas, I'm rapping Kokobin. I see you guys. Shakluku, I see you. I'm not getting old student, that's why I attend school. God bless you. Big ups, I'm not getting students, old students. Big ups to you guys. I'm Shamu now for joining. I'm Shamu. We love you all. Beyou comedy.
The world.
Akete Mpeninsem. Goodbye. Bye.